By 2025, artificial intelligence, AI, will have firmly established itself as a transformative force across multiple industries, from healthcare and education to manufacturing and entertainment. AI's integration will redefine how humans interact with technology, optimize workflows, and address global challenges. Advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, and generative models are expected to create more intuitive systems capable of learning, adapting, and collaborating with humans in unprecedented ways. AI will not only enhance productivity, but also pose ethical and societal challenges requiring a careful management. AI-powered virtual assistants in 2025 may seamlessly handle complex tasks like personalized education plans or advanced medical diagnoses, much like a skilled co-pilot collaborating with humans to navigate modern life. In healthcare, AI is predicted to enable precision medicine, automate diagnostics, and improve patient outcomes by analyzing genetic, clinical, and environmental data to offer highly personalized treatment. Wearable devices and AI will monitor health metrics continuously, predicting and preventing diseases before symptoms arise. AI-driven tools will predict cancer risks from genetic and lifestyle data, allowing tailored preventative measures, akin to having a personal medical expert available 24/7. In education, AI will reshape learning through adaptive systems that personalize content to individual students' needs, pace, and styles. Virtual tutors will provide real-time feedback, breaking down language barriers with real-time translation and enabling remote learning for underserved communities. AI systems will create personalized study plans, like having a dedicated personal tutor for every student. Generative AI models will redefine creativity, producing original works indistinguishable from human creations while collaborating with human creators to enhance productivity and innovation. AI-generated music, scripts, and content will become commonplace, akin to an artist's muse inspiring and co-creating masterpieces. Hyperautomation, driven by AI's integration with robotics, IoT, and advanced analytics, will dominate industries, optimizing supply chains, predicting market trends, and automating repetitive tasks. This will allow humans to focus on strategic and creative roles, much like a chess grandmaster anticipating and executing optimal moves. Autonomous vehicles will become more prevalent, enabled by AI systems, ensuring safer and more efficient transportation. Oh. Traffic management systems will reduce congestion and emissions, and vehicle-to-vehicle communication will improve coordination and reduce accidents. Autonomous delivery drones and self-driving cars will revolutionize logistics and commuting, like a vigilant traffic conductor, orchestrating seamless mobility. AI will play a pivotal role in combating climate change, optimizing energy use, predicting natural disasters, and improving conservation efforts. Precision agriculture powered by AI will boost crop yields and minimize waste, ensuring food security, much like an environmental guardian, balancing development and preservation. The rapid integration of AI will amplify ethical concerns such as biases in algorithms, data privacy, and job displacement. Governments and organizations will need to ensure transparency, accountability, and fairness in AI systems to build public trust. Collaborative efforts between technologists, ethicists, and policymakers will be essential to foster responsible innovation. Addressing biases in systems like facial recognition will require refining powerful tools to ensure safety and fairness. Human-AI collaboration will transform work, creativity, and problem solving, with AI empowering rather than replacing humans. AI-powered tools will enhance scientists' ability to analyze complex data sets, accelerating breakthroughs in research. This collaboration will be like a symphony where humans are the composers and AI serves as the orchestra, bringing visions to life. By 2025, AI will deeply influence every facet of society, transforming industries, enhancing lives, and redefining human potential. While the opportunities are immense, addressing the accompanying challenges will be critical to ensuring AI is a force for good. The future of AI lies in striking a balance between innovation, ethics, and inclusivity, creating a world where humans and intelligent systems thrive together.